हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ कॉमर्स। आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज फॉर यूजीसी नेट कॉमर्स पेपर 2। आज के लिए पहला क्वेश्चन है द मार्शल लर्नर कंडीशन रिलेट्स टू। ऑप्शंस हमें यहाँ पर गिवन है फिस्कल डेफिसिट, इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट एंड इंपोर्ट डिमांड, इंटरेस्ट पैरिटी और पीपीपी दैट इज परचेजिंग पावर पैरिटी। यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी दैट इज इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट एंड इंपोर्ट डिमांड, और यू कैन से एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट इलास्टिसिटी. It states that depreciation improves balance of payment only if the sum of demand elasticities for exports and imports is greater than 1. The ease of doing business index was published by options हैं IMF, World Bank, UNCTAD और OECD. Correct answer option B that is World Bank. This was discontinued in the year 2021. Next question, the balance of payments always balances because options are errors and omissions adjust automatically, double entry system of accounting is used, current accounts equals capital account, or exchange rates fluctuate. Correct answer है option B that is double entry system of accounting is used. Devaluation of currency is expected to. Options we have improve trade balance in the long run, reduce exports, increase imports or reduce the output. Correct answer है option A that is improve trade balance in the long run, because when devaluation of currency is done, it makes exports cheaper and imports costlier. So devaluation can improve balance of trade in the long run. Under Industrial Policy 1991, licensing was abolished except for options are defense, atomic energy and hazardous industries, option B IT, option C MSMEs or option D EOUs. Correct answer option A that is defense, atomic energy and hazardous industries. In Industrial Policy 1991 लाइसेंसिंग अबॉलिश कर दिया गया था, बाकी सबसे एक्सेप्ट फॉर डिफेंस, एटॉमिक एनर्जी एंड हजार्डस इंडस्ट्रीज, सो एज टू प्रोटेक्ट नेशनल इंटरेस्ट. According to Accounting Standard 29, a provision is recognized when options are outflow is probable and estimable, option B outflow is certain, option C it's contingent, or option D it is a capital expense. Correct answer option A when outflow is probable and estimable. Provision is created, provision is recognized only when a present obligation and probable outflow exist with reliable estimate. In inflation accounting, monetary items are options we have option A restated, option B kept at historical cost, option C discounted, or option D ignored. Correct answer option B that is kept at historical cost. Non-monetary items are restated, but monetary items already represent current amounts owed or receivable. Forensic audit aims to, options are detect fraud or manipulation, tax planning, compliance or efficiency. Correct answer option A that is detect fraud or manipulation. Forensic auditing क्या करता है? It gathers evidence for legal proceedings in case of fraud. True Blood Report 1973 focused on options are theory, CSR that is corporate social responsibility, objectives of financial statements, or environment accounting. Correct answer है option C that is objectives of financial statements. True Blood Report clarified that accounting information should assist users in predicting as well as evaluating future cash flows. Window dressing means options we have deliberate overstatement or manipulation of figures, fair value use, IFRS compliance or inflation restatement. Correct answer है option A that is deliberate overstatement or manipulation of figures. अंडर विंडो ड्रेसिंग, जब विंडो ड्रेसिंग किया जाता है उसका मतलब क्या होता है? फर्म्स मे प्रेजेंट शॉर्ट टर्म इम्प्रूव फिनेंशियल्स टू मिसलीड इन्वेस्टर्स और लेंडर्स, दैट इज नोन एज विंडो ड्रेसिंग. Which of the following statements best describe the concept of financial leverage? Options are use of fixed assets to magnify returns to shareholders, use of fixed funds to magnify returns to shareholders, use of variable cost to increase profit, or use of working capital for investment decisions. Correct answer है option B, that is used of fixed cost funds to magnify returns to shareholders. That means using fixed cost funds such as debentures which will magnify return to shareholders. और ऐसा कब होता है? When return on investment exceeds cost on debt. Which of the following theories support that dividend policy is irrelevant to the valuation of a firm? Options हमारे पास हैं Walter model, Gordon model, MM hypothesis और bird in hand theory. Correct answer option C, that is MM hypothesis. Under MM hypothesis, without taxes, it is assumed that dividend policy is irrelevant to the valuation of a firm. The law of diminishing marginal returns holds true under which condition? Options हमारे पास हैं all factors of production are variable, all factors of production are fixed, one factor is variable and others are fixed, or none of the above. Correct answer is option C, that is one factor is variable and others fixed. Which of the following best describes systematic risk? Options हैं unique to a company, diversifiable through portfolio management, non-diversifiable market risk, or caused by internal management. Correct answer है option C, that is non-diversifiable market risk. Systematic risk means something that is applicable to the whole market, to the entire market, like inflation, like recession, and it is non-diversifiable. So correct answer option C. In marketing, selective demand refers to, options are demand for product category, demand for a specific brand, latent demand, or declining demand. So selective demand means option B, that is demand for a specific brand. A firm's beta factor in the CAPM model indicates, options we have the firm's unsystematic risk, the firm's overall business risk, sensitivity of firm's return to market return, or risk-free return. Correct answer option C, that is sensitivity of firm's return to market return. Which method of performance appraisal involves ranking all employees from best to worst? Options हैं graphic rating scale, paired comparison, forced distribution, or ranking method. Correct answer option D, that is ranking method. Under this method, all employees are ranked. So सबसे पहले होता है highest performer, that means best, and proceeding with that worst at the last. So ranking किया जाता है under ranking method of performance appraisal. Price discrimination is possible under which type of market? Options हैं perfect competition, oligopoly, monopoly, or monopolistic competition. Correct answer option C, that is monopoly. The match principle in accounting means, options we have matching sales with cash receipts, matching assets with liabilities, matching revenues with related expenses, or matching cost with balance sheet items. Correct answer है option C, that is matching the revenues with related expenses. Last question for today's video. Which of the following is an example for contingent liability? Options हैं outstanding expenses, bills receivable, bills discounted but not yet matured, or outstanding income. Correct answer यहाँ पर होगा option C, that is bills discounted but not yet matured. So that was all for today's video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. बहुत सारे और वीडियोस भी चैनल पर अपलोड किए जा चुके हैं फॉर यूजीसी नेट कॉमर्स पेपर 2, जहां पर 50 MCQs के सेट आप देख सकते हैं. यू कैन अटेम्प्ट, यू कैन टेस्ट योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, योर नॉलेज, योर प्रिपरेशन, एंड विश यू गुड लक फॉर योर यूजीसी नेट कॉमर्स पेपर कमिंग.